banana,
Alright, so if I break under...
chicken,
Alright, so if I break under this, it should fall into the lava. So I'm gonna go inside of this and break it down while I'm inside of... Okay, let's put that back. Alright, bro, gotta be careful. No! Oh my god. Okay, I messed up. I'm back. Okay, put this here. Bro, what's gonna happen? What?
Oh my gosh, bro, finally, diamonds. Let's go, bro. Let's just mine these up. Oh, well, that gravel. Look. Yo, why is there so much... Wait a minute, hold on. Yo, why is there so much gravel?
And his name is John C.
Alright, so if I...
chicken, banana,
На колени, на колени. На колени, на колени. На колени, на колени. На колени.